I still remember when we first launched this subdivision back in 2021. It was just open land covered with grass and mud. But look at it now. It's almost complete and we can finally take you for a tour inside this subdivision. If you are searching for an affordable, near ready for occupancy lot in Nuvali, baka ito na ang hanap mo. Hello guys, this is me again, Steve Singson, your property expert and one of the senior sales managers from Ayala Landscorp Residential Business Group. I am currently here at the entrance of Southdale Settings, Nuvali. As mentioned kanina, 5 years ago, yung place na to was just plain, full of mud, maraming grasses. But look at it now. Tapos na po yung subdivision natin and mapasok na po natin siya sa loob. But before that, let's have a quick drive tour para maipakita ko lang po sa inyo ang updates and developments dito sa Nuvali. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. As I always do, mag-start muna po tayo dito sa bandang Calax. So usually pag magagaling ka ng Metro Manila, ito yung dinadaanan po talaga natin. So may mga buyers ako na nagtatanong, why I always do drive tours to initiate my vlog, Ang kagandahan kasi dito sa YouTube channel natin, hindi naman lahat na nanonood ng YouTube natin is mga subscribers na po natin. Yung iba, mga bagong viewers pa lang. So dito po, ang kagandahan dito, pag may property ka kay Nuvali, ito yung binibili mo dito, and ito yung mga madaanan natin establishments before going to Southdale Settings, Nuvali. So again, Nuvali is the largest development of Ayala land in the Philippines, composed of 2,500 hectares. Actually, merong magandang project na ginagawa si Ayala Land sa South, which is the Rising South. So ito yung parang combination of 4 major estates of Ayala, which are Nuvali, Era, Southmont, and Broadfield. And ang kagandahan dito, amongst the estates of Ayala Land, Nuvali is the leader. Siya yung flagship project ni Ayala Land dito sa South. So lahat ng mga gagawin dito, magiging pattern ito ng ibang estates ni Ayala Land. So dito na po tayo sa pinaka-entrance ng Nuvali. So yan yung sikat na man-made logo kung saan marami po nagupot ng mga bikers kasi sikat po si Nuvali sa mga bikers since rolling yung terrain ng buong estate po natin. Nuvali is composed of 4 major components which are Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. Kay Nuvali North, dito po makikita yung ating mga malls which are Soledad 1, 2, 3, and 4. And ngayon po, nagkaroon tayo ng rebranding from Soledad 1, 2, 3, 4. Ginawa na po siyang Ayala Malls Nuvali. Kapag natapos po itong mall natin, even bigger in Glorieta in Makati. And hindi lang yun, sa Nuvali area dito sa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, may mga ibang malls din po tayo. We have the Vista Mall of Vista Group. We also have the Paseo, Arcadia, Laguna Central of Greenfield City naman. And of course, SM Nuvali of SM Prime Holdings. Nakagandahan, bali-balita na it is considered to become the Mall of Asia of the South dahil sobrang laki ng mall dito. Dito magkakaroon ng Park-In by Radisson's Hotel, BPO Tower, SMX Convention Center, and bali-balita may IKEA and National University na of course pag natapos ng mga establishments na ito sa magiging additional convenience natin and magpapataas ng market value appreciation sa area. Sa Nuvali North din, dito makikita yung ating Seda Hotel. Of course, kay Ayala yun, we have 2 towers na po kay Seda Hotel and Museum for Architecture and Residences. Ito ginagawa na siya ngayon. It's a mixed-use na development. Nasa baba, meron tayong exhibits, art gallery, museum, and sa taas mga luxury condos. And this building will cater to 100 trees na parang siyang vertical forest, Na of course, pagkatapos to, isa ito sa mga magiging major landmark in Nuvali. Dito din sa Nuvali North makikita yung Nuvali Big Box Retail. which include Uniqlo roadside store with own green park, McDonald's, ika-700 branch in the Philippines. We also have Jollibee, CBTL or Coffee Bean Tea Leaf with roof deck. Dito din po makikita yung Healthway Qualimed Hospital. It's an Ayala brand hospital. And of course, no, very near New Valley din, makikita din po natin yung Medical City or the Medical City. Ito yung mga gandang mga hospitals na malapit sa estate po natin. Sa mga grocery options naman po natin, no, we have here the Landers, SNR, and meron din po tayong Robinson Supermarket dito sa New Valley North. And sa New Valley Central and New Valley South in the future, magkakaroon din po tayo nun. To summarize, New Valley North, no, ang tawag po dito ngayon is Metro New Valley. So Metro New Valley is a 200-hectare na development na Central Business District of New Valley. Ano-ano ba yung mga components nun? Dito po, may Lakeside District. It is composed of 100 hectares. Na ang focus niya po is dining, retail, leisure, and waterfront experience. And of course, dito din po, meron din po tayong Central District. It's approximately 40 hectares. And doon naman po, meron siyang 3 hectare Central Park. Doon po, magkakaroon tayo ng future office towers and corporate spaces. And next naman is the Civic District. It's approximately 60 hectares. Dito po, magkakaroon ng government and institutional spaces and Santa Rosa Civic Complex. Isa po itong building na lahat ng mga government offices like LTO, BIR, NBI, nasa isang building na po lahat. So, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta from one place to another para asikasuhin po yung mga government requirements po natin. That's for New Valley North po, no? Actually, sobrang dami pang gagawin. But siguro gawa na lang ako ng separate video regarding intensive drive tour of New Valley para mapakita ko po sa inyo ano ba yung mga talagang binibili mo dito pag may property ka inside the New Valley Estate. In the middle of New Valley Boulevard, no, mayroong rotonda po sa gitna. And dito po, yung first exit niya, papunta po yung Kalubang Golf Course or Casilla Road going to Tagaytay. So it shortens yung travel sa Tagaytay from around 40 minutes from Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. But dito sa Casilla Road, mga 15 to 20 minutes drive up lang. Nasa Tagaytay Highlands area ka na. And sa pangalawang exit naman po natin, yun yung continuation ng New Valley Boulevard. So dito na po tayo sa New Valley Central. Kita niyo po, yung gate na yan, ang kagandahan sa New Valley. Sa New Valley North, New Valley Central, New Valley South, and New Valley Heights, may mga kanya-kanyang guard houses yan and may mga police substations and mga security guards to maintain the security and safety ng buong estate po natin. On our right side, no, this is the ongoing construction of Central Block. It's approximately 12 hectares na dyan po maglalagay ng Merrimart. Yung Merrimart po patapos na, so anytime pa rin na siyang i-open. And the shops po, mga restaurants po yon. And dyan po magkakaroon dyan ng mga commercial spaces dedicated for banks, salons, spa, dental clinics, lahat ng mga basic needs. So para siyang mall dito sa Alabang na hindi mo na kailangan talaga lumabas pa ng New Valley. Pag kumanan ka naman po dyan, no, dyan po located yung ating school in New Valley, which is Xavier School. So aside dun sa school natin, no, dyan din po makikita yung ating project na condo, which is Solara Park Stories New Valley. And yung ating isang project din naman na townhouse, which is Amaya Series New Valley. If you are looking for a condo or a townhouse in New Valley na nasa average lang po yung price range niya, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin para masyadong ko po kayo ng mga details. So currently, no, nasa New Valley Boulevard pa din tayo. Ito yung biggest na spine road in New Valley. And as you can see, meron pa tayong space sa kabilang side niya kasi meron siyang provision for additional expansion. And yung mga puno, grabe, sobrang lalaki na and halos nagahag na sila to each other. Kaya pag sa New Valley Boulevard ka, ang daming lilim po dito. On our right side, no, yan po. Yan naman po yung mga New Valley shuttle stops po natin. Sa New Valley kasi, no, every 30 minutes, parang Korea and Japan style, may mga humihinto pong parang mini buses or mga van. So pag ayaw mo mag-drive inside New Valley, lumabas ka lang ng subdivision, every 30 minutes may mga humihinto na po mga shuttle po dito. On our left side naman, no, is the location of Brackwell property. It's approximately 40 to 50 hectares na kanilang development na doon po sobrang high-end po ng property nila doon. they launch their house and lot package ng presyo nasa 40 to 50 million. And doon daw po bali-balita na maglalagay sila ng kanilang mini power plant mall. Na imagine, no, katabing-katabi lang siya ng Ayala Development. Of course, Rockwell and Ayala, these are the most reputable developers in the Philippines. Hindi magkatabi to ng wala lang. So imagine, there is something important sa area na gagawin po nila dito. Sa end ng Nuvali Boulevard, no, sa T Road, ito po yung mga damuhan na yan, it's your future 10 hectares na Alfresco Mall. And meron din po akong nasagap na balita, no, that it will be called as Nuvali Town Center. So sobrang ganda, no, kasi imagine, this area is around 5 minutes away from Southdale Settings, Nuvali. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Ayala Malls, no, kasi sa Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights, may kanya-kanya po tayong conveniences po dito. After the 10 hectares na Alfresco Mall, no, on our right side is another school. Ito naman po yung ating Everest Academy. So, ang kagandahan dyan, may mga affiliation sila dyan ng school sa US. So, if you're planning na pag-aralin yung mga kids natin sa US in the future, yan yung mga magagandang option natin ng schools po dito. So, on our right side ulit, no, meron dyang police substation. So, talagang na-maintain yung security and safety ng ating buong estate. And on our left side naman po, no, is the Miriam College. Yan po. Si Miriam College Nuvali is even bigger in Miriam sa Katipunan. And ang kagandahan dito, meron silang future expansion for the college building. Na pagkatapos to, we have 3 schools inside Nuvali. Xavier School, Everest Academy, and Miriam College. Hindi lang po yun, no? Sa labas ng Nuvali, but very near Nuvali, we have the ongoing construction of UST, 40 hectares, mas malaki pa sa Manila campus. And of course, the University of the East, malapit sa Eton City Square. Na of course, mga big schools, no? Hindi lang po yun. We also have the Lasal Laguna Campus, Mapua Malayan College, Adventist University of the Philippines, and many more. That's why we consider Nuvali area as the next university belt of the South. Yan. So dito na po tayo ngayon sa Forest Avenue, no? So ito yung road natin papuntang Aberdeen Estates and Southdale Settings, Nuvali. As you can see, we just installed the solar street lights kasi we are promoting sustainability. Patipid lang po tayo sa electricity. And dito po, as you can see, the road has 4 lanes. Tig-dalawang lanes magkabilang side, and each sides of the road meron tayo ditong provision for the planting strip ng mga trees and walk path. Ganun kayo sa Nuvali, no? Hindi siya yung regular na planning sa Metro Manila. Dito po maayos yung road networks po natin. After ng mga roads, may mga walk paths, may mga plant strip. So hindi talaga after ng kalsada, commercial po agad. And dito na po tayo sa location ng ating Southdale Settings, Nuvali. Technically, no, kung hindi ka namang dadaanan na ibang mga area, siguro ang time travel from the entrance of Nuvali going to the subdivision is approximately mga 10 to 12 minutes po. So we're now here at the entrance of Southdale Settings, Nuvali. Pero before tayo makapasok sa loob, no, nag-request muna ako ng site viewing kasi sobrang higpit dito, which is good sa mga clients natin. And of course, alam mong maintained ang security and safety dito sa ating subdivision. And as we enter, we are greeted by the wide road of Southdale Settings, Nuvali. This is 15 meters, no? And both sides may mga provision for planting strip and walk path. By the way, no, Southdale Settings, Nuvali is 21 hectares in size. 55% is dedicated for the residential and 45% for the open spaces. Doon po mapupunta ang amenities, park, walk path, and iba pa. And so dito po, after the entrance, diretso lang po tayo. Makikita na po natin yung ating amenities. Sa amenities po natin, 1 hectare po yung ating open spaces. Ganun po ka-generous ang ating subdivision. Before ko kayo i-tour sa ating clubhouse, no, let's talk about the project construction update of this subdivision. The first one is the land development. As of now, no, 100% completed na po tayo noong January 2025 pa. The second one is the clubhouse, of course, 100% completed na din po siya. And natapos po yung ating clubhouse last December 2025 lang po. And ating swimming pool po, no, is also 100% completed na po, which is natapos po siya noong December 2025. Technically, the entire subdivision is ready for turnover. So if naghahanap ka ng property na mata-turnover na or malapit na po ma-turnover, this subdivision might be a good option for you. Ang kagandahan sa subdivision natin, no, after ng mga road or ng mga kalsada po natin, as you can see, meron tayo ditong plant strip na space. Diyan po magkatanim ng mga puno in the future, no? And of course, walk path. So ganyan siya kalawak. At sa lahat ng part ng Southdale Settings Snow Valley, may ganyan po tayo. So dito po, lakad tayo, no? Currently dito, nagalagay pa lang sila ng mga landscape. So hindi ba talaga ma-appreciate yung ganda kasi kakalagay lang po natin. But of course, pag natapos to, sobrang ganda po ng ating clubhouse. So dito po, yung ating drop-off area. Yan po siya. And ito po yung ating clubhouse. Sa clubhouse po natin, it can accommodate 200 packs na pag may mga events po tayo. Sige po, pasok tayo para mas ma-appreciate po natin siya. Diyan po, kakatanim lang po natin ng mga puno. Yan po. And ang kagandahan sa ating Southdale Settings Snow Valley, may mga solar street lights na po tayo. Kasi it's part of the sustainability project na ating subdivision. So ito po yung ating clubhouse. Very spacious po siya. Yan po. Open yung clubhouse natin since mataas ang elevation ng Southdale Settings Snow Valley from 172 hanggang 202 meters above sea level. Kaya dito po, sobrang mahangin, sobrang breezy yung weather dito. Yan po. And then dito sa part na to, no, dyan po makikita yung ating admin office po. So dito po magkakaroon ng office si Ayala Property Management Corp or APMC. And dito po yung mga bathrooms natin and mga offices na mga guards. And ito naman po sa side na to, no, yung ating mga swimming pools. So dito po makikita natin yung ating adult pool, kiddie pool, and sa gitna ang mag-separate sa kanya mayroong plant box dyan na magalagay dyan ng garden. Tapos dito po, meron tayong gazebo dito. Na dyan po, dito naman po in the future magalagay dito ng mga sunbathing deck para makapag-unwind po tayo sa ating free time. And punta naman po tayo sa side na to. Yan po. So yun po, kung makikita nyo wala pa masyadong mga halaman kasi nag-start pa lang po tayo ng ating landscape. And dito po sa side na to, yung ating kids play area. Ito po. Yan. And sa baba po ng ating subdivision, sa side na yon, ipapakita ko nga lang po sa B-roll natin, no, is yung ating basketball court. So technically, it's a complete na amenities po, no, na lahat po ng kailangan nyo nandito na po sa Southdale Settings Snow Valley. Sa ating product offerings po, no, we have two types. The first one is the house and lot package. Dito po, may tatlong klase po tayo. Ang ating smallest is the Celine model. The middle po natin is Macy model. And the biggest is Trista model, kagaya po nga sa likod po natin, no? So dito po, yung house natin, it ranges from 9 to 11 million depending on the size of the house. Pag lot only naman po, no, ang smallest cut natin is 128 square meters and ang biggest cut natin around mga 250 square meters. But if you want a bigger lot size, ang ginagawa ng ibang buyers is combined lots po yung ginagawa dito. When it comes to the construction of the house, no, it should be modern, contemporary, and earth colors to maintain na maayos and maganda po yung ating buong community. And sa height restriction naman po natin, from the highest tip of your lot hanggang roof po, ang maximum is 9 meters. So technically, pwede ka pa talagang mag-third floor. With Southdale Settings Snow Valley, very limited na lang po yung ating lots, no? So pag napanood niyo po yung video na to, I recommend na mag-message po kayo sa akin para mauna po tayo na makakuha ng ating available lots dito sa subdivision na ito. If you have a property in the valley, you're not just buying a piece of lot on a standalone subdivision, but what you're buying is the entire sustainable estate of Ayala Land. Kasama sa binili mo dito yung mga schools, yung mga malls, the security, the safety, yung maayos na road networks, and of course, the Ayala quality of living na binibigay po ng ating developer. I hope na itour ko po kayo sa ating subdivision, no? To know more, please send a message to my Facebook page, which is The Property Expert, Ayala Land by Carlos Steve Singson. You can also send me a message to my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage that is +6 3961 462 2138. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated to our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Steve Singson, your property expert in the Valley.